Hello, and welcome to another update video about Solana. Yeah, on the Solana chart, it's the case that we still are holding our upper support area here, that micro support area that I communicated yesterday, for possibly another rally in wave C of Y of B. But all of this is pretty much just very poor and murky price action. So there isn't really much that would suggest that a substantial low has formed. Even with Bitcoin going up, Solana isn't doing much right now. So yeah, it's just lacking the strength. But I think tomorrow could be an interesting day, given that the Fed will announce its interest rate decision. So I'm not saying it's going up or down, but I'm saying there could be some decent volatility. The parameters are all defined. The thing is, it's really slow price action, especially the rally from the recent low here, from that 6th of September low. I mean, the rally from the 5th of August low at least could be considered a wave 1. Then we obviously had this wave 2 flat correction we are holding at the moment, still the main support. So the yellow scenario is still reasonable. It's still plausible, and the third wave rally to $208 possible from here. Yeah, the yellow count is valid, not invalidated at all. And it's also, I mean, just looking at the structure until the 6th of September, fine. But anything afterwards just looks extremely corrective. So I don't trust the yellow scenario. I would not rely on it, even though it's possible. That's why I have it on the chart. But it's just about a reliable structure. I don't find it very reliable, especially not considering the movement from the 6th of September, which looks highly corrective. So best interpretation I have actually is that this is some kind of a corrective rally. And it could be a Y wave, and in the Y wave we are dealing with an A, B, C. That's something I'm tracking for other charts as well. For example, for the Ethereum chart, I'm tracking an ABC structure. On the ADA chart, I identified that potential, but that doesn't make it a great long trade setup. But it is, for anybody who, for example, wanted to go long, missed maybe the low here on the 6th of September. There is another support area. And, obviously the yellow count shows up, shows to the upside, or that allows for that interpretation. The white wave count as well. So there is potential for upside, maybe even decent potential when we consider the yellow wave count. It's just not very trustworthy. And naturally, wave counts on this time frame, especially considering the context, also what Bitcoin is doing, but then also considering the general state of the altcoin sector and the structure after the 6th of September, well, it means that microstructures are naturally short-lived and they are not very reliable, okay? But what we have is a first 3-wave rally, which topped here around the 10th of September, pullback also in 3 waves. This rally was in 3 waves, and that opens the door here to this scenario, that this was an A wave. The B wave pullback is a flat correction, which might even form one more low. I mean, again, support is between $124.28 and $131.18. And then from here, a C wave rally might start A, B, C in Y of B. So this is what I'm tracking as possibility now. You could say the preferred scenario, at least it's potential. Don't rely on it, but yeah, the support area is clearly defined. Again, might give us one more low, but any break below $124.28 would be a first good signal that we're starting to break down. Not much more to add really, so hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.